Hello friends, come with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Clap your hands and sing along.
A says A for apple, B says B for ball glass, C says C for car, and D says D for dog leg. E says E for egg, Jane. F says O for fish again. G says G for gift, H says H for heartache. I says I for ice cream. J says J for gypsy. K says K for kangaroo. L says L for lemon mule. M says O for monkey, N says N for noodles in. O says O for almonds. P says P for planets. Q says Q for quilter. R says O for rain. S says S for sunrush. T says T for telephone. U says U for unicorn. V says V for violence. And W says W for watch. X says X for egg. Y says Y for yo-yo. Z says Z for zipper wig.
A to Z, we sang today, learning letters all the way. See you soon for more fun.
Had fun? Give a like and subscribe to your new friends at Kid Buddies.